In this short clip we're going to show you how to fit a single rack to your bike. The kit should consist of the following components. There's a plate to mount the battery on. You should have the top part of the rack, two sides to the rack, a left and right, and then a fitting kit which has got the following components. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to take the two side parts of the rack and use the 4 screws that are the same size. Using a nylock to secure it into place. Fit this plate using the bolts that should be already fitted into the frame of the bike. Leaving it loose, just do it up hand tight, like so. Same again for the other side. Leave it loose. Cut that. Next stage, this is your rear light, so this needs to go to the rear of your bike, is to place the rack over and slide it down the brackets you've put on. This will be held in place with an Allen key bolt, nut and washer, and also this little bracket which is used to tie your luggage on. Then you need to repeat the exercise on the other side. Okay. The next part is to put the front mounting on, which is these rods here. You need to use this component here and a nut and the final Allen key bolts. You put this part into there and then hold that in place with a nut, like so. The next part is to use this front mounting bracket to fix to the bike frame and to the rack here. So using the bolt in the kit, slide that through there. Then fix the front of the bike here. Just leave it loose till you get it all lined up. Okay, now we've fitted the other side, so both sides are now fitted. The next thing to do is to line the rack up, make sure it's level on the bike, and then go around and tighten all the nuts and the bolts. Make sure the rack's secure. Okay, the plate is now secured to the rack with the washers and bolts going downwards. The next part is to slide the battery on. Lock into place.